you go up that hill, Bree. Fast, 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 fast. You almost had it. Okay, scoot over it. You got it. There you go. They're doing good. You catch your sister. Go for it, Bree. Ooh, in the mud. Keep going. Go faster. Go up that. You're going up a hill. There you go. Way to go, Bree. Stay in the middle. Good job, Alexis. Nope, watch out for traffic. Here we go. Okay, keep going, Alexis.
Jackson, go ahead, buddy. Go ahead.
Here, y'all go ahead.
Thanks.
There you go, ladies. All right, go for it, girls. You got it, Bree. No, you got it, Alexis. Keep going. You gotta go a little faster. Go fast, Bree. Go fast. Go faster, Bree. There you go. Over the bridge. Good job, Bree. Keep going. Whoa! I'm passing you up. Here, let's get over to the side here. Go for it, Alexis. You gonna get off and push? No. No, well, okay, just get off. Get off and push. You're too close to it to take off. Come on, Bree, you too. All right, good job, girls.